Hey everyone, today we are talking about the giant elephant in every tech room, known as artificial intelligence. You must have heard the claims like AI will change this, AI will change that, blah blah. But honestly speaking, is AI really that revolutionary? Or is it just another overhyped tech bubble, which is designed to make a few tech billionaires even more richer? So in this video, let's cut through the noise. AI or artificial intelligence is where machines simulate human thinking. AI or artificial intelligence is where machines simulate human thinking. They learn, they solve problems. They even being creative, like at least on paper. But is it something that new or revolutionary? AI has been around in theory since 1950s, but it exploded with tools like ChatGPT, Grok, and some very good marketing by Silicon Valley investors and tech CEOs. ChatGPT can write emails, it can write poems, debug code, and even help with your resume. Basically, you can say that it's Google search on steroids without the annoying ads that you get in the Google. Let's not act like this is the first time. Is it the first time a technology has been so hyped? I mean, I have experience of let's say 15 years of technology career, and in my career, I have seen many fads coming then vanishing in thin air. We have seen the hype before. Metaverse. Remember Metaverse? You were supposed to work, live, and party in virtual reality. Now it's a digital ghost town. Have you heard about blockchain? Very useful idea. But most of them were scams or speculations. And what about Internet of Things, IoT? Your smart fridge didn't make your life smarter. It just made your wallet lighter. And do you remember cryptocurrencies? 95% of them were scams, pump and dump schemes, or failed experiments. Voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant. Tell me honestly, when was the last time you used Alexa? Only thing I think my kids love playing with Alexa. However, I find it of no actual use. So, the important question is AI the next bubble? Now let us talk about ChatGPT CEO Sam Altman. See, the CEO of OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, let's be real, let's be honest. He is not doing any charity, he is earning money. He is acting like a salesman and his product is ChatGPT and he is selling that product. He is selling his product just like a priest sells fear of bad luck. Sam Altman and other tech CEOs, they sell fear of being left behind. I mean, if suppose AI is so dangerous to humans, if AI is so dangerous to humans, why the hell they are even developing it? But this fear brings millions of dollars in funding. AI is the perfect excuse. Big companies are firing people, and AI is the perfect excuse. You fire people and then blame automation, AI, and all those big buzzwords. They say we are going AI first, but the reality is they are only cutting the costs, especially high income employees. Sorry, your role has been automated. But what they really mean is we have just saved $200,000 a year thanks to AI. Let me tell you what I have seen personally. AI answers, ChatGPT answers, most of the time they are dull, they are monotonous. And anyone can tell it's not human. It's not human at all. Even primary school teachers are catching ChatGPT answers. Many institutions have already blocked AI responses. Then there is image generation. People are excited about creating images which even like are not real, right? These images are fake. Look, a lion riding a skateboard on Mars looks cool but actually fake. Videos are even worse. They are glitchy, awkward, and honestly they are unusable. And guess what? Even YouTube isn't prompting AI generated content much these days. They know it lacks human touch. So, what is the bottom line here? The so called layoffs because of AI, in my opinion, are mostly an excuse to hide companies' policy failures. And these so called celebrity tech billionaires, don't trust them. Don't trust them. Their job is to raise investment, that's it. Their job is to raise investment, that's it. And AI is Hoax. I think it's a smart tool, that's it. Take help from AI tools and become better at whatever job you are doing. Are you a script writer? take help from AI tools to produce more content? Are you a photographer? Use AI tool to enhance photos to be of excellent quality. Are you a coder? Do you code? Take help from AI to write better code. And yes, it might replace Google search, which, let's be honest, Google have been awful lately anyway. But AI replacing humans, I don't think it's happening anytime soon. So stay sharp, don't fall for every shiny little thing that Silicon Valley throws at you. That's all I had. Thanks for watching.